Good afternoon, friends. Today I have two company updates with regards to one from the defense sector, and the second one is from the logistics sector. The defense sector stock is NIBE Limited, specialized in the business of manufacturing critical components for the defense, electric vehicles, and software development. Secured a defense contract worth 22.66 crores, announced the receipt of the purchase order leading defense company. The order pertains to the supply of turret structure assemblies, a critical component used in defense infrastructure. As per the company's regulatory filing under SEBI Regulation, the order will be executed in tranches by June 28, 2026. This contract reinforces NIBE's capability in catering to specialized engineering needs in the defense sector, and it strengthens its strategic manufacturing foothold. Company manufactures structures, sub-assemblies, and the assemblies of mobile weapon launchers for programs such as BrahMos missile, MRSAM, and Pinaka rocket launcher. Also manufactures structural and engineering systems for naval applications. Its electronic division focuses on sensors and wiring control systems, military softwares, etc. The defense segment clients include L&T Defense licensing agreement. The company also has a licensing agreement with DPAS Consultant Laboratory under DRDO for transfer of technologies of solar heated shelters. 30 crore uh, logistics stock. Okay, so this is about the second company, Ritco Logistics, 30 crore contract from infrastructure company, logistic firm that offers end-to-end supply chain solutions including transportation, warehousing, and multimodal services. Such was in focus in the day's trade, followed by business award updated by the firm. The Ritco Logistics Limited has achieved significant growth by securing major contracts across its core verticals: transportation, warehousing, and multi-modal logistics. The company received a 30 crore letter of intent from infrastructure company for transportation of 4 lakh metric tons of ash across Bihar. In addition, 15 crore transportation contract from Hindustan Zinc, a 20 crore deal from RINL for Pan India Steel Transport, and a 60 crore contract from Jindal Group for Crore Logistics. These wins highlight Ritco's capability to handle large-scale, time-sensitive operations across the infrastructure, mining, and metals sector. Ritco has expanded its client portfolio by partnering with major players across the automotive, chemical, and FMCG sectors, including Seat Tires, WVF, and Apar Industries, in association with industry giants like Bell, RIL, Pepsi, Tata Steel, IOCL, Seat, and ITC. Sorry. ITC reflects the company's strong and growing presence in the Indian logistics sector. Important disclaimer: this article come information has been extracted from different resources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations are mentioned and are solely those of the experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. They do not constitute personal opinion. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. It is strongly recommended for you to consult a qualified financial advisor or expert broker before making any investment decisions. So we'll quickly have a look at some more financial information with regards to these companies. So this is the logo of NIBE. Then this is the current price, minus 3.3% in the last 1 month. 4% gain in the last 6 months, and about 4% gain in the last 1 year. Incorporated in 2005, business of manufacturing critical components for defense, e-vehicles, and software development. Current price 1,657, price to earnings ratio of 89, which is very high. Book value 162, so company is trading at 10.2 times its book value. Dividend yield is 0.06%, which is quite less. Uh, Return on equity is 13%. Return on capital employed is 16%. Face value of the share 10 rupees. Company's working capital requirements have reduced from 76 to 60 days, which is good. Promoter holding has decreased by 9% in the last 3 years, which is sort of a concern. You can see the revenue has dropped in the last quarter, though the net profit, the company is able to match the net profit that was earned in the September quarter. Overall, year to year, you can see the revenue has gone up by almost, you can say 80%, 81% precisely, and you can see net profit has grown by about 50% from 19 crores to 27 crores. It's almost a 50% jump in the last 1 year. You can see profit growth here is showing 60%, sales growth 80%, stock price growth of minus 16%, return on equity is 14%. So we move on now to Ritco. This is the logo of the company. 1.5% loss in the last 1 month. Ritco engaged in transportation activities. 278 is the current price. Price to earnings of 16.7, which is good. Book value 114. Company is trading at 2.5 times its book value. Uh, Face value 10 rupees. Return on equity 18. Return on capital employed 15.8. 39.5 profit growth CAGR over the last 5 years. Company is not paying any dividends, capitalizing the interest cost. Promoter holding decreased by 10%, which again is sort of a negative impact on the stock because of decreased promoter holding. You can see last quarter the sales revenue has been the best, with a consistent 10% growth in revenue quarter after quarter, which is a very good sign. Though the net profit hasn't grown, however, you can see between June and the December quarter, there has been some profit growth, which is a positive sign for the company and the value addition that it could offer to its shareholders. Then on the yearly returns, you can see each year there has been a substantial revenue growth of about 20 to 25% on an average every quarter, every year, which is a good sign. You can see, the net profit has been growing as well. Though the net profit, the percentage of net profit growth has reduced, however, still the company is able to add good value from about 44% in the last 3 years. The compounded profit growth has reduced to 39. Sales growth has been the best, 28 in the last 1 year. Stock price is a minus 11%, and return on equity has been the best in the last 3 years by 19%. So friends, that's all from today. Thank you for watching the video. We'll connect with another video very soon. Please share this video with your friends, family and associates so they could benefit from this information. If you suggest any changes and improvements in presentation of this content, please drop a note below the video and we'll be happy to make the necessary changes and make decision making or information availability more easy. So thank you once again. We'll connect with another video very soon.